are at Bhagirathi Neotia Women and Child Care Center. Today is day 2 of surgery for Akhi Gupta. Her mother, Akhi and I, we desired.
We all wanted a healthy baby.
So this was our mission, this was our goal. So ultrasonography was done on 11/12, which suggested that the amniotic fluid pocket was 3, the deepest pocket. I warned Akhi that we have to be watchful. So on the 17th of this month, we did a CTG. The CTG was a sleeping CTG. What is a sleeping CTG? It is when the heartbeat, the fetal heartbeat, does not show beat to beat variability. So I knocked at the going to be new parents, we have to be watchful. And they said that, ma'am, the baby moves a lot in the evening. So we could not have a doubt about this performance of the baby. So we did a COVID test followed by a repeat CTG in the evening. Sure enough, the baby did move a lot in the evening after undergoing non-stress test, that is, putting the mobile on the tummy to sensitize the vibration and resonance. The baby did respond only after a chocolate drink and a thumbs up. Then we decided that the next day we should do a cesarean, and I could only do it because I received a lot of cooperation from my patient and her mother, because we all had one singular faith to have a healthy baby. Cesarean was done and we found it was a dry labor with lot of challenges for the baby, a dry labor and with a loop of cord around the neck. Thank you, Akhi, and over to you for your experience.
Thank you so much, ma'am. The very first thing, as they say, that pregnancy is surely a ticket to motherhood, and I could experience that, and it wouldn't have happened without my mentor or my doctor's support, as she said. So last year when I met ma'am was so supportive, and we must know it is not always physical, it is psychological as well. Mentally one needs to be strong. As a therapist, I have experienced it, and I would like to share this with everyone, that your mental strength surely counts. At the same time, I would add that my mom taught me that when you have faith in your doctor, stop having those doubts which start creeping in. So last year, as I said, I met ma'am. I was really happy to be a patient of hers, and after that, this year, when I conceived during the lockdown, that is, I got in touch with her. I started staying at my parents' place and I got in touch with ma'am, and I went on the way she prescribed. She just showed me the way and I was treating my path, and eventually my EDD, which was on the 10th of January, we were prepared for it, or could be a pre-New Year delivery at let's say any time. We all were mentally prepared, but the condition of the baby was such that it wanted to see the world a little earlier maybe. And when we went to ma'am for a normal checkup and conversation and the report showing session, ma'am told us, as she already mentioned, that the liquid content was really low and the child was not moving much during the daytime, and as a result we had to opt for an operation. We were not left with any option. We needed to take a call at that time. So all we could do is just trust her, and that's something I would want you to do. When you trust somebody, please don't be in two minds. And as a result, I went through, I had undergone the operation before, should I be precise, 1.5 days, and I have a healthy baby now. And surely, ma'am, the credit goes to you as well.
We all work together, mother, daughter and doctor. 3 cheers to Neotia for giving us so much of support.